Well, today going down is our coldest day for 2020 so far, 26 degrees. The high temperature today, a very chilly afternoon. Hey, don't you wish we had that 76 degrees back that we saw back on the 11th? Crazy how weather can make these big swings sometime in January, but that's how it works here when you're in the middle part of the United States. We get the influence from both the Gulf of Mexico and some air out of Canada. Some little bit of snow today in parts of our region, especially Southwest Virginia. Notice our time lapse here from Wise County. The snow especially pretty prominent this morning, but then even through the clouds, that sun managed to shine through and melt a lot of that snow that was there on the ground at the Wise Airport. Wouldn't be surprised tonight if we see a little bit of additional snowfall across parts of Southwest Virginia. Basically what happened today is we had some warmer air aloft in the atmosphere, an inversion, and that trapped moisture in the area where the snowflakes were able to form. We call it the snow growth zone. It fell into sub-freezing temperatures, and as a result, snow flurries and snow showers occurred across the area. If you pulled out your radar app, though, you may not have seen a whole lot on the radar app, and that's because the radar beam coming out of Morristown kind of overshot a lot of the snow, and so even though it was snowing across a large part of the area, a lot of it was light, and as a result, you just didn't see it on the app because the radar beam was a couple thousand feet up, hitting up there, while the snow was actually occurring below that, just a few thousand feet off the surface. Neat weather ongoing today. Luckily didn't cause too many issues, but did have some schedule changes and still have some of those tomorrow due to the cold temperatures that we're seeing and the snowflakes that are ongoing. 18 degrees right now in Richlands, 19 in Wise, Clintwood at 19 degrees. We're generally in the teens and 20s across the region, and through the overnight, I expect us to drop down into the teens for a large part of our area. For the Tri-Cities tonight, dropping down to around 19 degrees by 4 to 5 a.m. and looking for a low around 18 for the morning tomorrow. Upper teens across much of Southwest Virginia, 12 degrees in Marion and 14 in Mountain City, with a few flurries possible through the morning hours tomorrow as well. Otherwise, partly sunny skies return to the forecast for Tuesday afternoon, with highs climbing into the mid-30s. Not very warm at all, but a little bit of warmer air on the way. We're talking about 48 on Wednesday and 51 on Thursday, and then 50 on Friday before another cool down comes our way for the weekend on Saturday and into Sunday ahead of our next weather maker. You can see the snow showers ongoing across parts of the Ohio Valley, even into our area. A little bit of moisture across the region, causing some of those snow showers to occur. High pressure in control, and that's going to continue to slide off towards the east as we go through the next couple of days. So as that happens, we'll see pretty nice weather for Tuesday and Wednesday. Still cool tomorrow, or cold, depending on your point of view. And then as this high shifts further east, we'll get a little bit more of a return to a southerly airflow on Wednesday afternoon and into Thursday. That's what will help warm up our temperatures. Here comes our next weather maker by Friday. This system comes in here on Friday, especially late in the day, bringing us rain showers to the region. And then as we go into the weekend, an interesting weather setup as some colder air tries to wrap around this system. As we go into Saturday afternoon, I wouldn't be shocked to see a little bit of winter weather move back into the forecast, especially across the higher terrain. North Carolina mountains, Tennessee mountains, parts of Southwest Virginia. As we see that colder air come in, that looks to linger into Sunday as well, especially in the morning with a bit of a wintry mix even possible in the Tri-Cities. We'll keep an eye on it and see if anything pops up a little bit more aggressively in terms of the amount of moisture is going to be associated with the system and the amount of cold air. Right now, not looking like a huge system, but something we'll certainly monitor as we get closer to the weekend. Otherwise, the big story for tomorrow, the cold temperatures and then a nice warm up, relatively at least, as we head towards Thursday and into Friday.